317. Unidentified at this time. And car 2. Coming back. Getting ready on his run. He was looking at. Now once again, these drivers, as they get fixated on looking one way, they're going to get slow. There's a good hit coming in. 317. Logan started. And he's buried. He's moving. See if we can get it going. Hold. Everyone hold up. Drivers. Once again, safety is one of the biggest factors, so that's why we stop for something like this. Oh. Someone's going to have a rough ride. No bounce to that car. And we're off. Okay, so let's see if Logan can get himself out of this mud pile over there. Meanwhile, still working. And Logan is free, but he's got to get a hit. If you notice, referee, there's a good hit. In other words, if you haven't hit for a while, we're counting you. And once again, they could be hooked on nose coming up and around. And Logan, there's a lot of hits on there. There's another good hit coming in. And 31, Mr. Harrison coming back. And here comes zacks McCormick, looking for a target, coming up. There's a good hit by Harrison coming in. And here comes zacks. Once again. 31. See if we can get himself started. Back with that 171 car and 205. Logan is moving. He's got to get a hit in soon. Looks like coming back. Nice hit. Nice hit. There's the ball and look out. Coming in and up and through. A swing and a miss. Close, but no contact. There's the hit. Yeah. 17 under counter. Or 171, sorry. Zacks up and running and a little sandwich action coming in. Preston and Zacks. Making that 31 car a little bit more compact. Back to Preston. with Zach. He's going to make a hit, but his car is not looking or sounding too healthy. And cat and mouse time, here it comes. Zach's waking up and around. Preston.
Come on, man.
Head on hit. And another one. Good hit coming in by Preston. Preston getting ready. Zach now looking for that restart. This is where they talk to the cars. Come on, baby. Just one more time. Come on, baby.
Let's go!
No! Counting. Going. Going. And
Let's go!
we're only going to get the Hail Mary in there, and please, please, please. No, that's it.